Hey everyone, the Nikon Coolpix P1100 is the latest entry in Nikon's lineup of super zoom bridge cameras, serving as the successor to the Coolpix P1000. This new model retains the defining feature that made its predecessor so remarkable, the extraordinary 125x optical zoom. At its core, the Coolpix P1100 features a 16.79 megapixel sensor, which despite being a small 1/2.23-inch type, provides sufficient resolution for a camera of this class. This makes it one of the most powerful zoom cameras on the market, catering to users who need to capture distant subjects with incredible detail. For those who require even more reach, the digital zoom function extends the range to an equivalent of 12,000 millimeters, though image quality inevitably degrades when digital zoom is applied. To counteract the inevitable handshakes that come with such extreme focal lengths, Nikon has incorporated its dual detect optical VR technology. This system promises a 4-stop reduction in vibration, improving image sharpness, particularly in the center of the frame. While stabilization at extreme zoom levels is never perfect, this feature helps make handheld shots more viable, provided users take care with their shooting technique. The P1000 maintains a 3.2-inch vari-angle LCD screen, a useful feature for composing shots from different angles, as well as 4K video recording at up to 30p. Time-lapse capabilities also remain, adding creative options for photographers looking to capture long-duration events. Despite its new branding, much of the core hardware is inherited from the P1000, which originally launched in 2018. However, Nikon has implemented some thoughtful refinements aimed at specific user groups. Birdwatchers, for instance, will appreciate the new birdwatching mode, which allows users to configure the autofocus area more precisely. Nikon has also made it easier to customize the camera's controls by assigning functions to the FN1 and FN2 buttons on the optional MLL7 remote control, which can be particularly useful when shooting at long focal lengths. Another notable enhancement is the improved fireworks mode. This makes it easier to capture fireworks displays with well-balanced exposures and better overall image quality. On the connectivity front, Nikon has finally upgraded the outdated micro USB port to USB-C, addressing one of the complaints users had about the P1000. This change modernizes the camera's data transfer and charging capabilities, making it more convenient to use with contemporary accessories and power sources. The Nikon Coolpix P1100 does come with a price increase over its predecessor. While the P1000 originally launched at $1,000, the P1100 is set to retail at $1,099 when it becomes available in late February. For those who prioritize extreme zoom capabilities in a relatively compact form factor, the price remains justifiable, especially considering the minor but meaningful improvements. Overall, the Nikon Coolpix P1100 builds upon the strengths of its predecessor while adding useful refinements that cater to birdwatchers, long-range photographers, and videographers. While it does not introduce groundbreaking changes, its incremental upgrades make it a solid choice for those who need one of the most powerful zoom cameras available on the market today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, have a nice day, and God bless you for sure.